Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you the Coach Tabby 26 that I grabbed actually a few months ago, maybe 2 months ago, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of a review. So this Coach Tabby I have been eyeing on for a long time. I was debating on the Coach Tabby 26 or I think the larger shoulder bag, but this is the 26. As you can see, it's a lot more slim and small. So I finally took the plunge and I just wanted to give you my thoughts. So I got this off of Macy's website for $350 and it's black and gold. It's 10.5 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and 3 inches deep. It has a detachable strap, shoulder strap, that's 6 3/4 inches drop right here. And it also has a longer crossbody strap that is 21.25 inch in length. It has a snap closure, as you can see, and it is pebbled leather. So let's see what I usually fit in this bag. So normally, since this is a smaller bag, of course, I usually just get a card holder and slip it in like this. My key pouch. Maybe lotion. Sunglasses. This doesn't really fit a case. And for a phone, this is an old iPhone 7 Plus of mine, and it fits like that. So obviously anything smaller than a 7 Plus is going to fit. And there you have it. If I wanted to put something else in here, like, it's really tight right now. So there's this inner zipper pocket right here too. A flap here, of course, and a flap in the back right here. So it's really tight. And I haven't even put in my favorite stuff yet. So my lip gloss, my chapstick, or hand sanitizer, or anything like that. So let's see what we can fit here. So here's my Burt's Bees lip product. It's a tight fit. Hand sanitizer. And because I wear contacts, I like to bring eye drops with me. Right here. It's tight, like I said. I think I've said it multiple times already, but it like I can barely really put my hand in like that right now. But she still closes. And she's a little bit lopsided. I think it's because of how I put the card holder. So maybe if I put the card holder in like a normal person would. I really like this bar right here. I just think it's such a nice touch. Such a nice detail. So you can hold her like a clutch. So you could take off all the straps. I forgot to put the phone back in. Really tight. So as you can see, this doesn't fit very much at all. And I don't even think that I'm asking a lot. I mean, it fits. It fits. Everything is in here. It's closed. Nothing is going anywhere. I mean, hopefully this won't. But I don't really think that I put a ton in there. Like, I'm not asking a lot. Like my sunglasses, card holder, lotion, key pouch, and a few things like hand sanitizer, eye solution, and chapstick. I mean, I don't know. You tell me, is that ridiculous? I don't think it is, but well, let's move this stuff out here. I don't know why that would help, but it's definitely easier to access your little items if you put them in here rather than in the zipper right here. So yeah, you can hold it like a clutch. Or just a shoulder strap. She's really cute. So for the pros, I love this 90s style. I love that these are back. You know, the thin shoulder bag. I love the C hardware. I actually think I prefer this over like the Coach, like the written out logo even. I love the hardware. It's a decent size for the stuff that I need, at least. And quality is very typical of Coach, which is very high. No stitching out of place. Glazing, pretty great. I love the hardware detail, like I mentioned. And Coach zippers are a dream. And I really like that the crossbody strap is really thick. As you know, I love comfort. Comfort and looks go hand in hand for me. So this is very comfortable to wear. I just love it. I love the size of this strap. But if you're looking for something more delicate, I'm sure you can find another Coach strap that you could buy that's more thinner and delicate looking. So for the cons, I have a handbag with a magnetic closure too. And the magnet is very strong, like really strong. Like you don't even have to put a lot of effort into trying to find the snap closure like with this one. And this one isn't particular, it's not super weak, but it's not really strong either. I just feel like it would be easy to just go, for somebody to just go like that and just reach in. I grew up in a city, and so we're always constantly thinking about who is going to be a pickpocket or not. So I don't feel completely secure with this type of button. And I feel like putting the button on, you have to kind of wiggle it around a lot for it to find the right spot. Whereas my other handbag, you pretty much go like this and it just snaps in because the magnet is very strong. And because the flap is very floppy, it doesn't help trying to, you know, find the right spot. So yeah. You could probably fit a lot more in here, actually. I'm going to see if I can fit in my Winky Lux. my perfume, my panty liner. So, I mean, you could probably fit more. So, that's good. I haven't used this bag a ton just because I think I'm a little bit annoyed by this snap closure mostly, and that's pretty much it. So if you're looking for a handbag that holds, you know, your basics, so your sunglasses, your money stuff, your keys, your lip products, all that stuff, I think this is a great bag. You definitely have to be more thoughtful about what you put in it, for sure. Like it isn't one of those bags where you can just throw paperwork in or I don't know, whatever. So you definitely have to be a little bit more thoughtful when it comes to packing this bag. So yeah, and there you go. I have mod shots coming right up. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.